we've had some issues. So. Hello, I'm just going to give you a quick little reminder as we come into dock that I will ask everyone to just sit down as we're coming in. It can get a little bumpy. I want to make sure you're not tumbling around. But other than that, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come out on our beautiful boat. Thank you.